Good evening, all. Welcome to Bro Billionaire. This is Raghu here. Now, today I'm going to bring you a simple and effective technique. This is one of the way how I scalp money. So Friday I had shared how I scalped around 10 points, even on a negative market against the trend. Now, scalping, there are a lot of ways in scalping, but this scalping you can try from Monday, and I'm sure you're going to make a lot of money here. I'll come to the what you call point straight away without wasting your time. And this is going to be a very short video. Here, I want you to understand that whether you have technical knowledge, you don't have technical knowledge, you can make money using this strategy. It's a very simple and effective strategy. All right. Now, you know that these are the, what you see, your candles. Okay. We have a candle. Now, one of the way I showed on the previous video, we will focus on MW pattern and then N pattern. So this is one candle, market pulls back and then it breaks the high. Now this scalping is based on this method. All right. All you need is a very good closing candle, either bullish or bearish. Depending upon that, you will be entering the trade. Now what happens here is we have one bullish candle here and another bullish candle opens, goes above. So I am not interested in this. What I am interested in is after this bullish candle, let's assume it closed with little wick. The next candle opens within the high and low of this candle. This candle opening should be between that and it should pull back. Remember, the next you need to identify a bullish candle or a bearish candle which has a very good close. I'm not talking about Marubozu. You can have little wicks also at the top, but the body should be strong enough. And the following candle should open within the high and low of this candle and should go down first and then go up. So this will be your entry point. Remember, market goes down and when it coming and breaking the high of this candle, right? High of this candle, you will enter. What will be your stop loss? Your stop loss will be the low of the same candle. Suppose it goes up, comes back, you exit. This is the least risky scalping technique, and you can make a lot of money here for a day trading. It works in stock market, Nifty and Bank Nifty. I will show you in Bank Nifty. Understand, I want a good bodied candle and the following candle should open within the high and low of this candle and should give a pullback and go up and break. When it breaks will be your entry and the stop loss will be the same entry candle low. What will be your target? Your target, if you're trading in Bank Nifty, should be 15 to 20 points. If you're trading in Nifty, it should be 5 to 8 points. Whatever you get first, book, exit, and then wait for the same setup. Now, do you understand this? This goes up first, comes back, then breaks. It is an N formation or a bolt formation. Likewise, vice versa. Now let me share some of the secret how you need to trade, how you need to put the stop loss. Unfortunately, since we have the new contract, let's assume this is our trade. This is Bank Nifty. Now when you watch from the beginning, so this is one full bodied candle, this is one full bodied candle, right? In this candle, I think it opened up and came down. So let's observe where we have. Sometimes you get, this is a range bound, right? This is a range bound where most of you will lose the money. Even if you see a W pattern, there is no clear breakout from the range. So watch this candle. Okay, I'm interested in this candle. Market comes down, goes up, goes up. I don't see any other trade. Watch this candle. Okay, I'll make it big for you. And once you understand, it will be very simple. So close, there's no wick at all. 34,430. The next one opening 34,565. 34,430. This open is 34,565. Hey, what is this? What am I talking about? Sorry, this close 34,564. This opening is 34,560. Slightly, it opens at the same level. This candle qualifies. It opens at the same level. Assume it pulls back. The moment it pulls back, and again breaks the high. Now this is your stop loss. 34,545 is your stop loss, and once it breaks, it's always market order. 34,565 is your entry. It opens here, comes down, and then breaks. So this qualifies, understand. So this will be a stop loss. What is your stop loss? Your stop loss is 34,520 points is your stop loss. Once market breaks high, you book, what is your target? 15 to 20 points. How many points you got? 34,565, 34,611, 35, 41 points bank nifty points. Now same thing, it is always ATM options, no OTM. If you don't have capital, I'm sorry, but if you have capital and if you want to learn scalping, I'm not talking about trend, I'm not talking about pivots, I'm not talking about price action. This is a price action, the reverse bolt N kind of goes up, comes down, pull back and break. It's a kind of breakout, but in a miniature way. Now watch this. Same, where was the market? 34,565. So I have opened 34,500 an ATM. You can open 34,000. We don't have 550, right? 34,500 is the ATM option, or 34,600. I want 34,500, which is the ATM option. Which candle I'm talking about? I'm talking about this candle, 1130 index, 1130. So this is also 1130. Now here, observe guys. The high is here. What this line, I'll make it black for you, and that's all. There's no rocket science. 510 will be your entry price. What will be your stop loss? 493. So imagine guys, in bank nifty you are having 493.79, approximately 6.5 point stop loss. It comes down, this is your stop loss. It's a market order, all right? ATM. Once it breaks will be your entry. And how much this gave? 537. So 27 points. What I am telling you, 15 to 20 points. 15 to 20 points. You should exit. Do not wait, whichever comes first. This is the most quickest scalping, and that is the reason whenever I post my profit, you will see the trade is less than 1 minute. I would push a big order, 10, 20 lots in Nifty, and I would have exited, making my 10 points. 8 to 10 points and book the profit. So if you're a working professional, this works. Now in the same category, do you see any other candle? So this is a strong candle. So it comes back. Unfortunately, the high is not broken. Now this would be another scenario. We have a long wick. Let's say this candle. Since we don't have any other option, okay, this candle is what, 12.15. This candle closes at what, 505. Let me see this one. Okay, this is a candle we are talking, right? 34,550, 34,500 P. BNK Nifty, 34,500 P. Just observe this, and after that you are done. Hope you're getting what I'm trying to communicate. It does not matter about the trend. All we need is good, solid candles so that you can identify a trade. You need to spot a trade. That's all I need. I don't want any other indicator. 5-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, it works. So what candle we are talking about here? We are talking about this one. This is a good close on the index, 12.15. So this is the PE. Right, 34,500 PE. Do you see here 12.15? Where do you see 12.15? 2 p.m. Okay, this is here. This is the 12.15. Where's 12.15, guys? Okay, 12.5. Okay, this is P 12.15. Okay, watch this one because you will be confused. All reversal candles, good bodied candle works. Reversal candle, pin bars, they also work like magic. Now here we have a good close on this candle if you have taken a PE. All right, now let's assume this has opened at 453. This has closed at 454. So it has opened below, pulled back. Let's assume it has pulled back. So this will be a stop loss. 433 will be your stop loss. Okay, what will be your entry? Your entry will be here. 454. So you're entering at 454, but you know the stop loss before entering. Now I'm talking about this red doji bar. What is the target we are looking for? We are looking for 15 points. How much it gave? 454, 487. You have around 25, 28 points. So once you get 15 to 20 points, just exit. We don't care whether market came back down and closed. That is not our point. Within this candle, 1 to 2 minutes or less than 5 minutes, your target should be hit. Otherwise, take the stop loss. So what is your stop loss here? 455, 433. So you have approximately around 18 point stop loss. But once you get that 15 to 20 points, 1:1 risk to reward, just exit, wait for another candle. Sometimes, okay, these things happen. It pulls back, goes up. Watch this one. This candle, we have a solid green candle. We are P. We are waiting for another setup. So this candle opens below. So this will be your stop loss, 486. And you want your entry is here. 500, we are looking for 515 to 520, but this is 508, 509. It did not give. It came back and closed. It neither hit your stop loss, right? It did not hit your stop loss. Now what will you do in this such a situation? Since it has not hit your stop loss, wait to take the stop loss. Remember, your entry is 500, your stop loss is 15 points only. This is a minimal stop loss. Sometimes the next candle can go up straight away and give you money. If it comes back and hit, you exit. Market order, just exit. Do not worry about it. Now this one, this is a next candle, reversal pin bar, solid bar here. I mean, solid in the sense price is getting rejected at the bottom. So this will be a stop loss. If the candle opens, where did it open? It opened at 514. Where did this close? 513. So it opened above, let's assume, and came below. This all qualifies. I told you it has to open within the previous candle high low. But sometimes when you get a rejection candle and solid candle, if the price opens at the close, instead of going up, it comes down and then starts breaking the high. That candle also qualifies. Now here it opened slightly above, came down. 490 will be your stop loss. Still your entry will be the high of this candle. This candle, 517. What will be your target? 15 points. It went to 542. So you have around more than 20 points here. This will be a stop loss. You made your money. What you lost here, you made your money because this candle came down, right? It came down. It hit your stop loss. You will be exiting. But the next candle gave that money back. This is exactly how you need to trade. You should not have big wicks at the top. You need to look for solid candle. Somewhat similar to, just for the sake of our example, we have a solid candle here. This closed at 439. This one opened at 439.25. It opened, but then it gave a pullback. 454 is your stop loss. Your entry is 437. Your target is 447, 457, or 455. I mean, downside, right? 15 points. So if you're selling here, your entry is 437. So you should get around 427, 417. See, it gave more than that, more than 20 points. Hope you're understanding what I'm talking about. Please do like, subscribe. I'll bring you more and more videos where you can make money. These are real-time scenarios. This is the secret of scalping, guys. Sometimes you would have seen market is raising, you don't know anything technically, you enter, market goes, you exit, you're making money. But understand, if you put a method to madness, then you have more chances. Entire day, if you get around 3-4 trades or even 2-3 trades, and if it is successful, then you have made 50 to 80 points, which is more than enough. So understand how you need to trade on the sideways market. This works in trending market. It always works, but in sideways markets, you can trade both the sides using this method. Please do share, subscribe, and like. I'll be very happy to listen to your comments on this video. Thank you all.